Hi, this is Dubiss Forex Academy. Welcome to our weekly analysis. Today, 26th of June 2023. Alright, so this is the last week for this month of June. I'm excited once again to show us how the market fared last week, and also to let you know that we grabbed a lot of pips last week. Alright, so today usually we like to start with gold, but before we do that, please, if you're just joining our video for the first time, please subscribe to this channel, Dubiss Forex Academy, right, on Telegram, also Dubiss Forex Academy. Join us on all our social media handles. Alright, so if you are watching our videos for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. Ensure you like this video and please share this video. Alright, we would like to hear your comments regarding our analysis. So let's start with gold. Last week we told you that gold was likely move up, and then from there it will go down. It actually moved up and it went down. So, and I told you that we need to see a proper break on this structure for us to know either to start to buy gold, right, or sell gold. So where price is now is at a decision point. So what we have been doing is to take 50 to 100 pips, 50 to 100 pips, and we'll exit and then see what will eventually happen. So today we've already collected 50 pips, right, and it's already going to 100 pips. We started buying around 1925, and in fact, me, I've even closed my position. Alright, even though we are still seeing that gold will most likely move up today. There is a problem between this problem in Russia, alright, Ukraine and Russia. So we are seeing gold will shine most likely today, alright. So, and that's why we started buying gold. Last week we sold gold. This week we are thinking of buying gold, and we've already bought. We started buying at 1925. So if you're joining for the first time, where the price is, it's already hit at TP1. Alright, you can still take the trade. Please ensure you manage your risk. So gold, we need to really see a proper break from this structure. Alright, but if you get a good entry, you enter. It's just like we've gotten a good entry at 1925, started buying, even though it touched 1911 or so. Yeah, gold touched 1911. Let's see it together. Look at it last week. Alright, look at it, 1911. That's where gold touched last week. So right now we are buying gold. So let's look at Euro CAD. Euro CAD, we are buying Euro CAD. Alright, last week we tried to buy Euro CAD from up like this, and it hit our stop loss. So this week again, that's the only trade we lost last week. Only Euro CAD we lost on our pay group. We have pay group. I will show you our free group and pay group. So last week we were able to get at least we lost Euro CAD last week, and today we are buying Euro CAD from 1.350. So right now it's currently running on profit. I'm on profit for this trade because we are thinking that price should bounce, at least get to this point before price will continue to go down. On a longer term, of course, we are seeing price. We are anticipating that price will get to 61.8. Okay, so but when price hits here, which is a support zone, we told you that price will rise from there, and it's rising, and that is just the reason why we are buying at this moment. So we need to buy from here, where we are right now. We need to buy from here, okay, at least to this point, to give us XA. You know, this should be like a harmony pattern to give us this kind of structure. Let me show you. Wow, X, A, B, C, B, sorry, C, and D. So they give us this kind of structure to probably another down movement again from this place. Right, this one we can now get to maybe another down movement back to this point. So this is that's why we are buying. This like a C position. We are buying from C, right, to get to this D position to sell again. So that is our analysis for this week. Euro CAD, buy Euro CAD. USD CHF, right, USD CHF, we made profit last week, but right now we are buying, but it's running on loss at the moment. Okay, because on a longer term we are trying to see that what has happened. Let me draw this for us to see what we're anticipating. We're anticipating something like this. This is exactly what price has reached. Okay, we are believing that price should still go up. All right, something like this. Okay, this is what we're trying to see on USD CHF. So these down movements, it may even get down to this point. Then from there, price should rise up. Right, that is for USD CHF. For AUD USD, okay, this is a good one. AUD USD, remember last time I draw from here. This is where I draw from this point to this point. Right, I told you that this is a supply zone, that price will go down from this zone. That was the last analysis. If you watch the last analysis, you will see that this is what I draw, and price will go down, and it has actually gone down. Go and watch the video if you have not watched the video. Look at it. This is over 200 pips. Over 200 pips made for AUD USD. This is amazing. Congratulations to those that took this trade, okay? So, price could bounce from there or try to touch this particular zone. Right? So, price have not really touched yet. So, if dollar continue to be strong, then price could go down to touch it, all right? Otherwise, price could bounce from here. All right, so congratulations to those that took that trade. So let's go to NZD USD. NZD USD, we told you that where price is, it could fall, all right? But a good entry point is if price, you see price around here. So price started falling from there, just like the way we analyzed that day. Okay, so this week now, price is bouncing here. So price will most likely bounce from here, where it is, since here is being respected. All right, if there is a bullish close from this place now for today, then price could actually go back to this point. All right, and that is where we could actually get a good entry to sell. All right, if you want to sell NZD USD, otherwise it's a buy trade. For the moment, it's a buy trade. Okay, and if you even watch, you see that I'm seeing something like this. I'm seeing a harmonic here. All right, look at it. Okay, sorry. Okay, no, I think let me delete that. Let's draw it well. Seeing something like this from this point to this point to this point, and also from this point, from this to this, and then the D point, right? Just like we drew before. Let's delete this other one. Let's delete this other one. Okay, if you watch this one, what played out here is this particular one, not this one. This, and from here it went down. So what could also play out is this other one also from here. This, then this, and then maybe price go down from here. All right. So let's watch it and see. This is analysis for NZD USD on a longer time. Euro USD. Let's go to daily. For Euro USD on daily time frame. All right. You remember when we draw this? Okay. Euro USD at the moment, dollar was weak, and that was why Euro USD started firing up. So where price is now, you can see that that place the price is expecting is a let's say is a support zone. All right. So let's see what price we do at this point. So if you want to sell Euro USD, you need to wait for price to break here first, all right, before you can sell Euro USD. Otherwise, price could actually continue to grind back up. So Euro USD, there is no good entry point for Euro USD. Then GBP USD. I told you last time that is harmonic. When I told you last week that this harmonic will play well, and you can see that it's falling. If you watch my previous video, I told you this harmonic will play well. This is 153. So let's see where we are expecting this price to get. If you take from the last low to the last high, you will see that this price should touch 38.2 and then 61.8. So we need to, if you do not get the entry, then you don't need to enter again. For those that took the entry, this is the exit point, 38.2 for first exit point, and then we have another one, 61.8. Right, you can see that 38.2 is exactly at this structure here that I draw. So where the price is already, you can book your profit. This is a good profit. Let's measure it and see, so that you see how many profits we are talking about. This is over 150 pips. This is amazing. This is amazing. All right, for GBP USD. Let's look at USD JPY. USD JPY. Remember USD JPY. This has broken this structure, and I told you, all right, that if this structure is broken, the next point will be around here. Around here should be the next point. We should wait for this. All right, if you want to get a good entry point, market could actually turn down from here, fall from here where it is right now, but I cannot buy where price is because this price is high. Right, okay, so price could now do like this from here, and then it will now go down. So this is what could eventually happen for here. This next thing, this one didn't work because price has broken it. It came here, it fall. Actually, if you check for, if you apply what we always tell people to always partial close, this moved 100 pips. Look at it. This is 100 pips from this place. So for those that partial close and then move your stop loss to entry point, it will just hit you on break even, and you have already taken some profit. So let's wait and see. But I can tell you, this could actually also be a fake breakout if JPY becomes strong, as I said, at least retrace this week, then US JPY will fall. All right, so let's watch and see. Don't enter market blindly. You need to go to lower time frame and know what is happening at lower time frame to now know what you will do. All right, for USD CAD, last week we bought and we made around 50 pips last week, yes. And this week again, we want to buy again. I've already sent it to pay group. We're already buying. All right, but this buy now is temporary. From what I am seeing so far, this buy may not last because all these places have been broken. So this buy could just be to either to this point, right, or let's use this one, or to this point. Okay, all right, so you could actually get to this point or this point. So this is what we are saying. So price could get to this point or this point. So it's not a very good buy. All right, so but we are buying and we are on profit. So this is what could happen for USD CAD. Let's measure and see where Fibonacci is telling us to book our profits. All right, you can see like what I said, that place, that first one is around 23.6. okay, so which most likely may go above it to touch 38.2. This is 38.2. So we are buying the retracements. So this analysis, I'll leave it like this to see what will happen. But already, okay, we're on profit, but it has not hit our TP1 because our TP1 is 50 pips. All right, so Euro GBP. All right, Euro GBP. Remember last week we told you that Euro GBP will bounce from here. It did bounce and it came back again. So this week also, our bias is still same. All right, bias still same. Remember when I dropped this line, I told you that this is the entry point. So it has come back again, 0.5 for around 0.85 for 8550 or 8540. So that's entry point, and you can see that it's actually going up again from this point. So For this week, our bias remain the same. Buy USD Euro GBP. That's our bias for this week. Of course, this is the point we want to get to. All right. Let me make the charts clean so that you get it more clearly. So this is the points we want to get to this point. All right. This is the point we want to get to. So here still remain our entry points. All right. And then this is the point we want to get to. So this is the points we want to get to, this particular supply zone. Right. So that is it for, let me extend this so that we understand. That is it for Euro GBP. So it's a buy trade. So you can take your entry now. If you're seeing this video, you can take your entry. All right. CHF JPY, GBP CHF. Remember GBP CHF, I told you that there is no entry point there because price have almost gotten to this point. So for me, it's not a good trade to consider. So let's go to GBP JPY. GBP JPY on a daily time frame is going to be a very good trade if you can take this trade. We made 200 pips. Yes, we made 200 pips last week from this particular one because we sold from 182 and it got to 180. Yeah, from 182 to 180 is 200 pips. So it didn't get to our TP5, which is 179.50. So although I've not sent it to the pay group, all right, but it's still an entry point. It's still a good trade for those that want to take this trade. You can still take GBP JPY. It's still very good, very fresh. You can take the trade because on a daily time frame, using, in fact, even if you use this particular one, let's say from this particular low here, you see that this is 38.2. So if you use from this low, which is the one that you're supposed to actually use, this particular low, from this particular low to this high, we are talking about, let's delete the previous, let's just use that one. Let's use this one so that we get it clearly. So from this particular low to this high, you can see where we're expecting price to get to. Oh man, this is where we're anticipating price should get to. From there, 50.0 and then even 61.8. This is 38.2. This is 50.0 and this is 61.8. I'm going to leave it on daily. Alright. But I can tell you between 38 and 50, which is around here, this particular structure here, right? This is where, alright. So between 38 and 50 is where I'll be booking my profits, alright? Though it could get to 61.8, but this is where I'll be looking at book my profits. Alright, so let's go. Take the trade, guys, and then come back and give me comments in the comment section, alright? Euro JPY, Euro JPY. Euro JPY. For Euro JPY, I'm also expecting a 4 for Euro JPY. But let's see, expecting a 4, at least up to this particular place. Alright, that's what we're expecting for Euro JPY. So, at least up to this point. So you could take the trade, guys. Then this is where you should be looking at to book your profits. Right then, CHF JPY. For CHF JPY, right? CHF JPY, I'm expecting a fall, right? Even though price seems as if it's moving up from here, so I'm expecting a fall for CHF JPY from where the price is right now. Okay, I'm expecting a fall. Let's carry our fib to the last high. Right, so we're expecting a fall. Same scenario with GBP JPY. Is the first point, 38.2, then second one between 50.0, all right, this 50.0, right, and then the next one should be 61.2. So this is 50.0, and then this is 61.8. So this is what we are expecting for CHF JPY. For CHF JPY. Okay. So that's it for CHF JPY. So finally, GBP AUD. All right, we are selling GBP AUD. We're also selling GBP NZD. You can see all of them running on good profit. Let's go to daily and show you. So, all right, you can join the trade. Of course, you can book your profits around 200, 250 pips. Same thing with GBP NZD. Take your profits around 200 to between 200 to 250 pips. Guys, take this trade and come back and thank me, and then ensure you send your comments. We want to get your feedback. We are selling GBP NZD, we are selling GBP AUD. All right. Okay, so I just want to look at fundamentals to let you know what we are expecting in the market. All right, so let's go to fundamental. Okay, so today there is not much. Today is Monday, 26th of June, but tomorrow there's CPI on CAD, and it's going to be volatile tomorrow, but the due day is on Wednesday. Market is going to be very volatile, right? You can see it tomorrow. BOE Governor barely speaks. For GBP, for JPY, same thing. For Fed also, that's USD, same thing. Powell will be speaking tomorrow, and then you can see all these red folders is going to be massive tomorrow. Guys, trade with care. But from what I'm seeing, I'm anticipating JPY for them to strengthen JPY tomorrow. So I'm anticipating a hawkish statement tomorrow, right? A hawkish speech tomorrow from JPY. All right. So I think JPY will be strong tomorrow. All right. So let's watch and see. Euro, and then look at USD unemployment claim, final GDP. These are the fundamentals we have this week. Okay. But Wednesday is the D-Day. It's the D-Day to see how the market will react. So finally, our Telegram channel, we always tell you to please join our Telegram channel. All right. Telegram channel. This is our Telegram channel. Okay, this is our paid group. All right. So I'm showing you something about our paid group. This is our student group, and then this is our paid free group. You can join the free group. I drop GBP AUD here, and it's running on profit. CHF JPY is currently not on profit, but it will still move. So join Dubiss Forex Academy on Telegram. Dubiss is DUBISS. All right. So let's trade and make money from the global financial market. Please, I plead with all of us, ensure you subscribe to this channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. Like the video, and then ensure you share this video. And join us on all other of our social media handles. On Facebook, Dubiss Forex Academy. Instagram, Dubiss Forex Academy. TikTok, LinkedIn, you can see us there, Dubiss Forex Academy. And then on Telegram, Dubiss Forex Academy. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Cheers, guys.